How have you learned to be a more effective recruiter of top technical talent?
Recruiting talent is such an issue right now. It really is, and it's a good and bad thing. Right? It's good because it means our industry is doing fantastic. It's bad because, well, you need talent, and a lot of companies, their growth is stunted in a lot of cases because they can't find the right talent. And so, I feel like to really differentiate your company from other companies, you have to have, going back to vision, right? It starts with that story. You have to tell a good story. You have to be a good storyteller, and you have to have a good story to tell. Because in the end, pay is going to be the same, right? You're going to pretty much pay the guy the same thing as what the other guy's going to pay. Maybe you pay him a little more, a little less. It's not going to be the thing that completely crushes you. The prospects of the company have to be obviously on an upward trajectory. So if the company's not going in that direction, at least you need to be able to make it appear that it is. So going back to being a good storyteller. So those intangibles are really the things that I think wind up differentiating one company from the other. Another challenge, which is one that goes back to storytelling again, is an enterprise company versus a consumer company. So obviously consumer companies are a lot more sexy, or considered more sexy by the 20-somethings out there. You'd rather go work at Foursquare than Oracle, right? Obviously, even I would rather go work at Foursquare than Oracle. Jeez, that's an easy one. So, but the reality is that those companies are more sexy, and so for those enterprise software companies to be able to recruit talent and competing with some of those consumer companies, they have to tell a really good story, right? They have to really talk about the future and where things are going, and do you want to be a part of it, and are you excited to be a part of it, and make people feel like they're really part of something larger than them. And without that, I don't know how you can really. Otherwise, it just really becomes a job. And that's the last thing you want from somebody, is just a person looking, or from a new recruiter, a new developer, or a new anything, is someone who's just kind of looking for a job and that's it. You want someone who's looking for a cause.